Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open port 21 and a passive range 50,000-51,000 on your firewall and router before starting Ftpd. Without these ports, the client cannot establish control or data channels. Configure a root home directory for each FTP user in /etc/ftpd. Conf or the server's user file so accounts cannot traverse the file system. Set a control timeout of 300 seconds and limit concurrent sessions to 5 to reduce resource abuse and accidental lockups while you test changes. Enable passive mode and advertise passive port range 50,000-51,000 to clients so NAT and firewalls can route data connections reliably. Require TLS for credentials and data transfer using a server certificate and key files. Explicit TLS on port 21 is most compatible with clients. Test connections with an FTP client using explicit TLS and passive mode on port 21, and watch logs for passive replies, TLS handshake success, and any rejected session. Use logs to monitor transfers and rotate logs weekly to avoid disk exhaustion. Capture connect, login, and transfer events for auditing. Test uploads and downloads with binary and ASCII modes and verify checksums after transfer so file integrity is assured across different client platforms. Automate backups of FTPD config and certificate files and store copies offsite so you can restore quickly after failure. Include the passive port range, root mappings, and timeout values in your backup checklist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.